GlowKidzTV! It was a beautiful morning. Omar, Amina, and Bunny were ready to play together.
Good morning, Bunny.
Bunny tried to say hello, but oh no, only a little squeak came out.
Bunny tried again. Nothing. Bunny's voice was gone. Where did it go? A big, sad tear rolled down Bunny's cheek. Bunny couldn't speak. Not Omar and Amina rushed over. Don't cry, Bunny. We will help you, they said.
We will help Bunny.
Omar and Amina put their heads together. How could they help Bunny speak again?
We need a plan.
Omar had a big idea. Let's start with easy words, simple sounds.
I know! Easy words first. Amina remembered their special tool. The magic English remote could help.
The magic remote. We can teach Bunny again, just like it taught us. This will help, Bunny. Omar found a red be-all. Bunny, say ball. It's an easy word. Say be-all.
Bunny tried so hard. Mouth opened wide, but no sound came out. Don't give up. Let's try just the first sound. Watch Bunny's mouth. Lips together, then a little pop of air. B-U-H.
There it was, the B sound. A little scratchy, but it was there.
Everyone celebrated. You did it, Bunny. First sound is back. Yay! First sound.
Next sound, the ah-ah in the middle. Open your mouth wide, Bunny.
Ah-ah. A-A-H.
Great! A-A-H. Like you see something amazing. Perfect vowel sound.
Last sound, L-L-L. Feel your tongue touch the top of your mouth.
Lel, lel.
There! The humming L sound. Bunny is getting all the pieces.
Now, put the sounds together. Slow and steady. Bunny tried. Almost there. A little faster now.
Again and yes, ball. Bunny said ball. The first word is back.
Ball. Yes.
The celebration was huge. Bunny's voice was coming back, one word at a time.
You did it.
Ball. Amina had a great idea. One word is back. Let's find more words.
Omar saw a blue cup. Another easy word, Bunny. Can you say C-U-P?
C-U-P. Say C.
Bunny thought for a second, they'll said it.
Cup.
The voice is getting stronger.
Cup.
Amina put on a sun H-A-T. What is this, Bunny?
Hat. Can you say H-A-T?
Bunny didn't wait. Hat, right away. Bunny's confidence is growing.
Hat.
Now Bunny wants to name everything, pointing and hopping with new energy.
Ball. Cup. Hat.
Omar made it harder. Can Bunny say T2U words together? R-E-D, ball.
Red. Ball.
This was tricky. 2 words. Bunny concentrated very, very hard.
At ball.
And success.
Red ball.
Bunny said a whole phrase. Amina said, words can describe feelings too. How do you feel, Bunny? Say H-A-P. Bunny jumped with joy. Happy! That's exactly right.
Omar showed a different feeling. A big, prepend S-A-D face.
Say S-A-D. Bunny made a sad face too and said it softly. Sad. So understanding.
Happy now.
Then Bunny smiled brightly. Sad, but happy now. What a smart friend. Everyone laughed. Bunny's voice and wonderful personality were all the way back. Then, Amina asked for the most important words of all.
I love you. I love you.
Bunny looked at both best friends. These words came from a very happy heart.
I love you.
And Bunny said it perfectly. I love you. The most beautiful phrase. The hug that followed was the best one ever. Full of love and friendship.
We love you too.
Then, Bunny had something to say to someone very special. Yo-A-O-U!
Thank you.
Bunny said thank you to all the friends who helped and listened today. Let's remember all the words. First word back was
B-A-L-L.
say it.
B-A-L-L.
Then we learned
Cup. Cup. And hat.
we put words together
Red ball.
and feelings, happy and sad.
Red ball. Happy. Sad.
And the best words of all, I love you and thank you. I love you, thank you. And they all played together, talking and laughing, forever good friends.
My turn. Fun. Love you.
Subscribe to GlowKidzTV for more stories where we learn, help, and care for each other. Subscribe!